Welcome to the Assessments page. Here you can track your progress and review submissions. Use the filters to narrow down your results. To focus your review, select a content type from the drop-down, then click Apply Filters to update your analytics and assessment list. Get a quick overview of your performance. See your total attempts, average score, and best score, plus time usage for each assessment type. Scroll down to see your full history. Each card shows your score and submission date for an individual assessment attempt. Each card provides a summary at a glance. You'll see your score, correct answers, and how much time you spent on the assessment. Ready to dig deeper? Click View Full Review to see a detailed breakdown of your answers for that specific attempt. The attempt review shows your submitted answers compared to the expected ones, helping you quickly identify any mistakes you made. You can also expand the review directly on the page. Check the weak area analysis to see which concepts need more practice.